Welcome to the Deep Dive. Ready to explore some fascinating science and tech news?
Absolutely. There's a lot to unpack today.
Let's jump right in. Researchers in South Korea have discovered something pretty remarkable, a molecular switch that could potentially reverse cancerous transformation.
It's a fascinating approach. Instead of trying to kill cancer cells, this technology focuses on changing their characteristics, essentially reverting them back to a state that resembles normal cells.
Reprogramming them, so to speak.
Precisely.
That's incredible. Treating cancer without the harmful side effects of chemo and radiation.
It's still early, but the possibilities are certainly exciting.
Definitely. And speaking of exciting, scientists have also achieved the most complex engineering of human cell lines ever, creating supercells designed to study and potentially treat diseases.
This research is groundbreaking. It reveals that our genomes are more resilient to structural changes than we initially thought.
Tougher than we thought, huh? So what does this mean for medicine?
It opens the door for incredibly personalized medicine. Imagine treatments precisely tailored to your unique genetic makeup.
That's the future we're all hoping for. Now let's shift gears to artificial intelligence. DeepMind has developed an AI that can solve complex math problems, just like top human mathematicians.
This is a major step. It shows that AI can handle abstract and challenging problems, not just automation.
So problems we thought only humans could crack.
Exactly. And this could revolutionize fields like cryptography and scientific research. AI could help us design new materials or develop more effective drugs.
Even model complex systems like climate change.
Exactly. It's a powerful tool with huge potential.
Now let's talk about those tiny sugar structures, glycans. AI is being used to unlock their secrets. They play a vital role in our bodies, but they're so complex.
Right. They've been notoriously difficult to study, but researchers at Augusta University are working on advanced glycan sequencing technology using AI.
So we might finally understand these intricate molecules.
And that could lead to amazing things, like personalized therapies based on an individual's glycan profile.
Wow. AI solving complex math problems, engineering supercells, and now helping us understand glycans. Amazing progress.
We're in an era of incredible scientific discovery.
Absolutely. And AI is even changing how research is conducted. A new guide highlights the power of AI tools for designing experiments.
These tools could help scientists create more efficient and effective experiments, leading to faster discoveries across various fields.
Like having a super intelligent lab assistant, right?
Precisely. Imagine AI helping you analyze data, identify potential issues in your experimental design, even before you start.
That would be amazing. Before we move on, let's talk about single-cell RNA sequencing. It allows scientists to analyze gene expression in individual cells, providing crucial insights into cellular function and disease.
A revolutionary tool, but there's been a challenge, distinguishing between true and false zeros in the data. Sometimes a zero reading means a gene isn't expressed, but other times it's just a technical error.
So, ensuring the data is accurate and reliable.
Exactly. And researchers are developing new methods to make that distinction more accurately.
This is all incredibly exciting stuff.
Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Before the break, we were talking about single-cell RNA sequencing.
Right, a technique that's revolutionized how we look at cellular function.
Like having a tiny window into the inner workings of individual cells.
It's incredible. And we were talking about how a new software called ScreeCover is helping researchers get the most out of this technique.
ScreeCover is designed to tackle the challenge of identifying true zeros in the data.
Making sure those insights gleaned from single-cell RNA sequencing are as accurate as possible.
Precisely. By separating true signals from the noise, ScreeCover is a real game changer for researchers in developmental biology and disease research.
It's exciting to see how computational tools like this are pushing our understanding of biology forward. Now, let's dive back into glycan research. We touched on it earlier.
Glycans are fascinating. They're involved in so many processes, from cell signaling to immune recognition, but their complexity has always been a hurdle.
But maybe not for long. Dr. Wantian Austin Chang at Augusta University is working on something pretty amazing.
He and his team received an NSF grant to develop advanced glycan sequencing technology using AI.
So we might finally have a way to analyze these complex sugar structures in detail.
Imagine being able to rapidly and accurately sequence glycans and then unlock their role in health and disease.
It's like opening a whole new chapter in medicine and drug discovery. This really ties in with the potential for personalized medicine, which we were discussing earlier.
Speaking of which, we were also discussing those advancements in cell engineering. creating supercells, essentially.
And that research showed us just how resilient our genomes can be.
Right, and it opens the door for truly personalized cell therapies, tailoring treatments to each person's genetic makeup and specific disease.
It's an incredible idea.
It's the vision of personalized medicine, and we're moving closer to making it a reality.
The potential benefits are huge. More effective treatment and fewer side effects. It's hard not to be excited about it.
It really is an exciting time to be witnessing these advancements. Now, let's circle back to that discovery we talked about at the start, the molecular switch that could potentially reverse cancer.
It's a completely different approach to treating cancer, isn't it?
It really challenges the conventional way of thinking. Instead of destroying cancer cells, we're aiming to reprogram them.
Guiding them back to their normal state, almost like flipping a switch.
And that means the possibility of much less toxic and more effective therapies for countless cancer patients.
It's really a paradigm shift in cancer treatment.
A testament to the dedication and creativity of the researchers pushing these boundaries.
Welcome back to the deep dive. It's incredible to think about all the groundbreaking science we've covered today.
Truly an exciting time to be following these fields. The pace of discovery is just remarkable.
And it's not just one field. We're seeing all these different disciplines coming together: biology, technology, AI. It's like a convergence of ideas and expertise.
And that's what's driving a lot of the breakthroughs we've been talking about. Personalized cell therapies, using AI to unravel glycans. It's all connected.
It really feels like we're on the cusp of a whole new era of scientific progress, like science fiction becoming reality.
It does, doesn't it? Imagine engineering cells to fight disease, having personalized treatments tailored to your genetic and molecular makeup, and using AI to speed up discoveries in every field.
It's a future full of possibilities, but of course we have to consider the ethical implications as well.
Absolutely. As our scientific capabilities grow, we need to ensure that we're using these advancements responsibly. It's a conversation we need to have as a society.
A conversation about how we want to shape the future of science and technology. So, as you go about your day, think about the things we've discussed. What are your hopes and concerns? What questions do these breakthroughs raise for you?
Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing those boundaries. That's what the deep dive is all about.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of science and technology. Until next time, stay curious.